Hi, my name is Carmen Smith. I am the Story and Branding Specialist for the Black Student Union at Cal Poly, and I'm also a first-year food science major. So today I'm going to teach you how to make vegan chocolate chip cookies, and the way chocolate chip cookies relate to my heritage is in our family we love to bake a lot, and learning to make vegan chocolate chip cookies was definitely very important to me, and being able to make that for my family definitely impacted my heritage a lot.